This is day 29 and tomorrow is day 30 when we get to celebrate our 30-day art challenge completion. But then I was reading up on how long does it take to actually create a new habit. And there's this thing that's going around where it's supposed to be 20 days, but that was a misinterpretation of a plastic surgeon's statement and observation that it minimally took his patients about 21 days to get used to their new faces or the new situation after having had amputations. And so people interpreted that as like, okay, it takes 21 days to create a new habit. There is a study that was done in England that found that it takes an average about 66 days. Now that's twice as long as 30 days. And so, and for this average of 66 days, it went from like, I think it was 18 to 284 days. And also remember that the habits that you have, especially the unconscious ones, got established not in a month, a couple of weeks, or maybe even a couple of years. They were put into your system over many, 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 many hundreds of repetitions. So it's actually kind of a little unreasonable to think that in 30 days we're done. So I'm calling this 30 days, create a new habit, doing art for 5 minutes a day. The 30 days, that's the download phase. Like we've created it and it's kind of on the system, but it's not really installed yet. So there will be another, actually more than 30 days, more like, let's just say 36 days. Another 6 weeks, during which we will be installing the daily art habit. And during that time, I'll be teaching the Pencil Magic course, which is based on E.J. Gould's Draw Good Now series. And let's see. I find it hard to talk and draw at the same time. So anyway, I wanted to let you know this about habits, and that while it's not completely the same, we name the first 30 days the download phase, and this will be followed by an install phase. And after that, I can tell you right now, there will be an actual using phase. Any habit that you don't actually do is not really a habit. If you do it long enough and it gives you the benefit and you love it and you're motivated, your habit will be used. At first it will be maybe a conscious discipline, and at some point it'll just be a habit, and then you notice that if you don't do it, something is missing. It's missing. So be creative with what you can do. And tomorrow is a special day, of course. We get to celebrate a little bit for having completed the first 30 days. So, yeah, look at it as a download phase for your habit. And I will see you tomorrow.